Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to transfer money from Neteller to Wise in a simple and secure way. Since there's no direct transfer between Neteller and Wise, you'll need to use your linked bank account as the bridge. First, log into your Neteller account and go to Money Out. Choose Bank Withdrawal, enter the amount you want to send, and select your verified bank account. Confirm the transaction and wait for the funds to reach your bank. This usually takes 1 to 3 business days. Once the money arrives, log into your Wise account, click Add Money, and choose your bank as the payment method. Follow the prompts to transfer the amount you received from Neteller into Wise. If you prefer faster transfers, you can also use a trusted exchanger that supports Neteller to Wise transactions, but always verify its reputation first. And that's it. Your money will move safely from Neteller to Wise. Subscribe the channel for more videos.